All right, I'm doing this arithmetic sequence, and I'm going to find the common difference first. And let's see. So from negative 23 to negative 16, that goes down 7. This goes down 7. This is, I'm sorry, it's increasing by 7, isn't it? Yeah, it's increasing by 7. Increasing by 7. Um, this is they're all increasing by 7. This one, so I think the common difference is positive 7 or 7. Um, we have what? This goes down by 8. What? 2? Yeah, 8. Whatever. This goes up by a whole bunch. So it's not going to work. It's the common difference is 7. So our explicit formula is a little different than our textbook. If we look at the graph of our values, we have the first. Ooh, I gotta go like this, huh? The first value is negative 23. That's the first value. And then it goes negative 16, so that's the first value. Then the second value is negative 16 or whatever. But we need the 0th value. So the value before the first term, that means we would have to, subtract 7. So we would need this one right here, and that would be, oh, these are all negative. That would be negative 30, right? Because negative 23 minus 7 is negative 30. So we're keeping that because this is a linear function right here. So in this case, the explicit formula would be y equals, and then we have negative 30 as our initial value for, in the 0, and then our slope was 7, so that is 7x, and that should be 7x minus 30. And then a of 26 would be 7 times 26, I'm hoping, minus 30. So if we have 0, we have 1 would be, I'm kind of plugging this in right now. So if I have if I have y equals 7 times 1 minus 30, would that give me the first term? That would be 7 minus 30, yeah, which would be negative 23. So that works. Okay, so I just need to plug these all in. Oh, no, I didn't finish this one, did I? I was testing that one out. So I'm not going to test that anymore. 7 times 26. So 26 times 7 is 2, 4, 14, 182 minus 30. 182 minus 30 must be 152. And so that would be that final value. So as I put these in, okay, there we go. So that should be 7. This should be y is equal to 7x minus 30. I got stuff going all over the place here. And then that last value was 152. Yeah, wait. Something tells me I'm making a mistake. Yeah, I think I am making a mistake because, no, actually the 26 value. No, I'm good. 152. Okay, just making sure. 100. Oops. 100. Oops. 52. Okay. Good. All right. Got them all. Okay. I hope that helps.